Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you 5 bags from Louis Vuitton that I feel are overpriced. I'm also going to share the reasons why I feel that they are not worth our money. Plus, of course, the bonus is I'm going to share to you the alternatives to these bags also from the same brand, LV. So, if you want to know everything about these overpriced bags and the alternatives, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about plates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also in unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, as we know, Louis Vuitton has been increasing their prices, but most of the times we cannot keep up. We have so many vloggers here just like myself who is always updating our fam here if, for example, there would be Louis Vuitton price increases. So the last time that we heard this news is I posted also a vlog. I'm going to link it up here and also on the description box below, where we have said that the price increase happened in Europe, most specifically in France. Good news is it did not go worldwide, so there are no price increases in US or in the Philippines for that matter. But that did not stop LV from putting these price increases that we are not aware of. That is why they are going to release new bags, and of course they are going to price it insanely high compared to their other Louis Vuitton bags. I feel that Louis Vuitton is trolling us with these new bags and these crazy high price increase. That is why I wanted to share this episode to you guys, just in case you are thinking about these new bags. So I'm going to share to you whether they are still worth it or not, and of course the alternative to these very expensive bags. And of course guys, if you have any of these bags that I've mentioned for today, kindly comment down below and please share your thoughts with our fam here, like what are the pros and cons of these bags, so that we are going to be well informed and we would know whether we would want to spend our hard-earned money with these very expensive bags. So now let us start with our 5 most overpriced bags from LV. Alright, so let us begin. So guys, hope you don't mind that sometimes I would be looking down here with my notes. So let us start first with the first overpriced bag from LV, and this is one of their newer release. It is the Louis Vuitton Micro Vanity. So the leather version of this one, the price online before tax, take note, is $1,900 US. So the size of this one, again, just what the name states, Micro Vanity. The size is 4.3 inches by 3.9 inches by 3.1 inches. So again, it is very teeny tiny, so we could not expect our phones to fit in. So I feel that this is somewhat smaller or maybe the same size as the Nice Nano, but OMG, of course, the Nice Nano is way more affordable compared to this one. So the only difference with this one, the only new feature of the Micro Vanity is now it comes with chain. So as we know, we are very familiar that once Louis Vuitton make it into a shoulder bag, added those chains, they are going to price it very, very significantly. So it comes with a chain strap, then it also comes with a mirror inside once you open it up. But definitely I feel the only thing that you could carry with this bag are your credit cards, IDs, and the lipstick and a lip gloss perhaps. But definitely we cannot expect our phones to fit. The reason why I feel that this is so overpriced, because again, it's a micro vanity bag compared to its predecessors. I feel that you can get more from other bags, just like this very wonderful alternative that I'm going to share to you, which is the new Nano Speedy. So on the website, the new Nano Speedy is priced before tax is $2,030 USD. So again, this is a leather version, so we could have a good comparison. So a leather version of Micro Vanity, again, $1,900 USD. The leather version of the new Nano Speedy, 2,030 USD. So it's just additional 130 USD. Then definitely you are going to enjoy more of a Louis Vuitton bag. Honestly, if I'm going to choose between the two, then of course definitely I'm going to choose, it's a no-brainer, it's the new Nano Speedy. Yes, it is a newer one. It's much smaller. However, I feel that I would be able to carry more stuff with me by purchasing the new Nano Speedy. Alright, the second overpriced bag from LV would be two of the same family, would be two bags. First, we have the Micro Metis. So the canvas version of the Micro Metis is 1,900 USD before tax, and the leather version is 2,030 before tax. And of course, the second overpriced bag from the Metis family, in my opinion, is the Pochette Metis East-West bag. The canvas version is priced at 2,910 USD. Alright, so why are these bags overpriced? So let's start first with the Micro Metis. So again, this has been recently launched by LV within this year, if I'm not mistaken, and it is very cute. So yes guys, it is very cute. It is the exact version, only smaller, of our beloved Pochette Metis. So everything you could see here, so you could see compartments, you could see the S-lock, you could see the top handle, you could see the strap that it comes with. I believe are chain, which is more fitting with this Micro Pochette Metis. Unfortunately, again, just like the Micro Vanity, it's teeny tiny. It can only hold your cards and nothing more. So it's more of a catch-all rather than not a bag that you could use for every day. And then the Pochette Metis East-West bag for a price of 2,900. Then why I am saying this is overpriced, because if you are going to see the alternative of these two bags, then of course I'm going to choose this one, would be the original, the Pochette Metis East-West. So the canvas version of the Pochette Metis East-West is only 2,570. And then if you're going to get the leather version of the Pochette Metis, it's 2,980 USD. So in my opinion, so again, the Pochette Metis East-West canvas, that's 2,900. Then the Pochette Metis in the leather version, the original one, 2,980. So it's a no-brainer for me, because of course in my collection I am no longer needing of an evening bag or a micro bag. So I need a medium-sized bag, just like with the Pochette Metis. That is why I feel that the Micro Pochette Metis and the Pochette Metis East-West bag, yes, they are good iterations of the original, but I feel it is overpriced by LV. So what do you think, guys? Kindly comment down below. Alright, so the third overpriced bag from LV, unfortunately I have this in my collection. It is the Petit sack Plat. So the canvas version at LouisVuitton.com before tax is now priced at 1,830 USD. So again guys, I have it in my collection, as you can see. So this is one of my favorite bag from LV. Unfortunately, when I purchased this one, it is, I believe it's only around 1,500 USD. So comparing it to the price right now of 1,830 before tax, wow. So if you're going to ask me, would I get the Petit sack Plat on the price right now? The only thing that they've changed is the strap. It's still the same. It's a vachetta leather strap. However, the newer ones comes with the adjustable. This one doesn't come with the adjustable. But if, again, I'm going to get it on the price right now, I would double think in getting this one, because honestly this one, it only can hold couple of items on my stuff, like for example my phone. As you can see here, if I'm going to put in my phone, it's already filled, and then I'm going to insert my power bank here, then maybe one lipstick, then that's it. So every time that I'm carrying my Petit sack Plat, I would need to carry a second bag with me. I'm going to put some photo here, just like what I did. I carry this and then my Alma BB, so that I could enjoy more of this bag. And to be honest, when I have done double bagging and carry this, then that was the time that I enjoyed my Petit sack Plat. But honestly, for me, in my opinion, this is one overpriced bag, and I'm glad that I purchased it before the super many price increase of this bag. So what are the alternative of the Petit sack Plat. So the very first one, so since we are speaking of a canvas, a monogram canvas version, so let's talk only of canvas. So the very first one, of course, is the new Nano Speedy. Online, it's only priced at, guys, take note, 1,760 USD compared to the 1830 of the Petit sack Plat. That's almost 100 USD lower compared to this one. And then, of course, same price, you could also get the new Nano Noe Canvass, same price of 1760 USD. So again, this is more expensive than those two bags. And to be honest, I love this one, but if you're going to make me choose, I'm going to choose either the Nano Speedy and the new Nano Noe, because definitely you could fit so much more on those two bags versus the Petit sack Plat. Alright, so bag number 4, that is Overpriced by LV. This is one of their newer bags. It is their IV wallet on chain. So the leather version is priced online before tax is 1900 USD. So why I am saying that this is overpriced? Because again, it is a micro bag. Could definitely only choose items that you could put inside of this one. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it comes with 2 straps, leather, and a chain, but that's it. Super expensive because of course you could get another alternative still from LV, and I would be choosing this more versus the IV wallet on chain because they would have the same design. Like for example, the leather version bicolor of the Felici Pochette is only priced at, take note guys, 1,760 USD before tax, and you are going to get the same thing. I feel that they are the same size. I feel you could fit the same items inside these two pochettes, and as we know, the Felici Pochette comes with 2 inserts, and others would actually sell these 2 inserts at the pre-love market and they would get some of their money back. So definitely for me, it's a no-brainer. I would be getting the Felici Pochette versus the IV wallet on chain. Alright, so the 5th overpriced Louis Vuitton bag would be, again, this is no surprise, this is one of their newer bags, the toiletry pouch on chain. So again, the monogram canvas version online is priced at 1,760 USD. So again guys, it is super expensive and way overpriced in my opinion. So this is a toiletry pouch 26. The only difference that they did was the side is now leathers, and they added the D-rings because now it comes with a chain strap so you could carry it as a crossbody. And also it comes, I believe, with a toiletry pouch 15. But of course, we've heard so many times here in YouTube and on Instagram and any on the community post, everyone feels the same way that this toiletry pouch on chain is so overpriced for an idea that we have started and LV just copied for us. And I'm sure everyone already knows what would be the good alternative with the toiletry pouch on chain with strap would be, of course, nothing can beat this, would be the original toiletry pouch 26. So I got this one directly from our LV store 2021. My CA got this before it got discontinued. So you know how much I super love and super enjoy my toiletry pouch. I feel so blessed and lucky that I got this before it got discontinued. So as you can see here, the newer one, this one, they changed it into a vachetta leather, and they put the D-rings over here, and it comes with a chain. But this one, I'm sure everyone knows that you could purchase anywhere like Amazon or any vendor a conversion kit, and you could attach an insert here and add a chain so you could carry it as a shoulder bag. And then I believe you could purchase from a pre-love market a toiletry pouch 15, then use it together with this one, then you have a perfect alternative to the newer iteration, which is more expensive and I feel is way overpriced of a Louis Vuitton bag. There, so guys, what do you think of our episode for today? Hopefully I was able to share information with 5 overpriced Louis Vuitton bags in my opinion. So again guys, if you have any of these bags on your collection, kindly comment down below, share the love, share the pros and the cost of these bags so that we are going to be well informed whether we could purchase this bag or maybe just purchase the alternative. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!